everybody. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Marybeth Angelelli here with Get Fearless Freedom. We are inside of one of my all-time favorite websites for advertising, classified ads, called Craigslist.org. What you're looking at right now is a sample ad that we are able to put up and advertise the business of our choice for only $5. We have complete video, step-by-step walkthrough training to show you exactly how to successfully complete this simple process and get your ads up on a very popular, heavily trafficked website that is super cost efficient and very easy to complete. Craigslist.org. We even give you the ad copy and we provide you with the images. So we give you everything you need to get these ads up very easily and equip you with success in your marketing strategies. Okay, so you can use this powerful tool. It's called the Craigslist A.I. Autoreply software for any business that you wish to advertise, of course, including GFF, which is what I make really good utilization out of the Craigslist tool, which is found in the mastery level, the $500 level of Get Fearless Freedom. And the beautiful thing is, not only can you use it to build your number one asset, your email list, and collect emails so that you can, in essence, build the business of your choice. But the beautiful thing is we can also resell it, because with Get Fearless Freedom, we get master resale rights on all 4 done-for-you digital products. So if you have this product at the mastery level, you can resell it for $500 commissions, and you have the potential to earn $500 over and over and over again, potentially, okay, when somebody goes to your site and purchases this wonderful tool. Okay, we give you the ad copy, the text, we give you the image ads, everything you need. And here's the beautiful thing is, this automates the process. It is one of the automated components and tools inside of Get Fearless Freedom to enable you to work smarter and not harder. It's a beautiful thing. It really is, okay? Because essentially it saves you time. It saves you a boatload of time. Because once you get this going, you never ever have to manually reply to people coming to your posts, coming to your ads, and requesting information through this reply button right here at the top, okay? So if somebody sees your ad, they click on it, it opens up, they are interested, they want more information, they click reply, and then instantaneously they receive to their email a reply from your Craigslist autoresponder. And you can craft that however you wish. I'm going to share with you the way mine is set up, and then you can hyperlink the website of your choice, and they will click on it through your simple call to action. They will land on your website. They will willingly enter their email address to learn more and get more information. You're going to gain a new subscriber onto your email list, and you're going to be building your number one asset, your email list. Because remember, the money, the origin of the money's in the list. And the fortune is in the follow-up. But we have all that taken care of through our done-for-you email portal, which is another automated feature inside of Get Fearless Freedom. This has been a wonderful marketing system. I know you're going to love it, and it's going to equip you with everything you need to be successful, okay, this year and beyond. It's going to give you all your tools, your resources, your training, your software, everything you need. It's a complete business in a box. It really is, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. Now, without further ado, we're heading into my back office of Get Fearless Freedom, okay? And as you can see right here, this is where it's located in the mastery level. This is our $500 level inside of Get Fearless Freedom. And all you have to do is go here where it says Craigslist Autoresponder and simply click on it. What you're going to want to do first and foremost is watch this video, okay? The Craigslist follow-up system, how to use Craigslist for inexpensive marketing. Because remember, we're putting up $5 ads, very cost efficient, okay? And these are renewable after 30 days, so you can renew them for only another $5. Absolutely insane value. It really, really is. Okay, considering the potential that exists within this form of advertising. So what you'll do first is you'll watch this video to learn how to make full use of Craigslist as a marketing avenue that really works. So watch this video, then follow these instructions. There's only 6 steps, very simple, but you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to deviate away from these. You need to follow these exactly and precisely in order. Okay, so you're going to want to read all of these instructions before doing anything. And if you need to read them more than once, no worries, please do that. Okay, so step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now this is very important because Get Fearless Freedom assigns you your own unique email address specifically for creating your brand new Craigslist.org account. So you need to be creating it with this email that is contained within step number 6. Okay? So just follow these after you watch that video. Now in your follow-up settings, you're going to enter an email address where you want to get the responses. This is different from this email address here. This will be a personal email address. As you can see, mine happens to be a Gmail email address, okay? And this is where people are going to be requesting information. You'll get a response that you have somebody who came off of your Craigslist ad wanting more information. So you can, evaluate how your campaigns are doing because you'll always get email notifications when somebody hits that reply. It's all programmed. Absolutely wonderful. This is really, truly ingenious. It really is. I mean, it's a really slick tool. Nobody out there in the industry has this or offers this, okay? So this is specifically unique to Get Fearless Freedom only, and it's wonderful. And this is the auto response message. This is what you will type in based on what you're advertising. And then down here, you will go ahead and hyperlink the link to your website. Mine, of course, goes to Get Fearless Freedom. So this is my auto response message that I crafted, and it's been working amazingly well. Works like a charm. It really does. Hello, this is Marybeth Angelelli, and I appreciate you replying to my ad today. Did you know that Craigslist gets 10 million unique visitors per day? Did you also know that you can earn $500 reselling to those that want an automated system like this to collect leads to their business? Test this out for yourself here. And it says, please click here for our 7-minute video today. This is hyperlinked. It's clickable when somebody receives this to their email, because when they hit that reply button that I shared with you inside of my Craigslist ad, any of my Craigslist ads, this is the auto response message that's instantaneously triggered to their email. They get this, they open it up, they read it, they click here, they want to learn more, they just simply enter their email address into my website, and they'll be redirected through the process over to my bridge page and then over to my sales page with the brand new 7-minute VSL, video sales letter, that does all my telling, all my selling, and all my explaining. It's another automated component inside of the Get Fearless Freedom marketing system. So we have everything that you need to build a successful business this year in 2025 and beyond. And everything is set up to be able to enable you to work smarter and not harder, because the system is largely automated. And that's exactly what you want. You need a complete marketing system. This one is turnkey, giving you everything from A to Z that you need to successfully build your business, build your email list for the best results. So you'll just go ahead and craft yours. This was mine. I wanted to share it with you. And once you do that, you just hit submit Craigslist follow-up. And it is literally once and done, set and forget. Now, of course, you can come back here if you decide that you need to change this for any reason in the future, and then you make your edits, and then you just submit changes, okay? And submit your Craigslist follow-up. So that's all you have to do, folks. Hit this magic button down here, and you are good to go. This is so easy. It's a wonderful way to continue to get the word out. It's part of my marketing strategies for Get Fearless Freedom. I know you're going to love it. And the beautiful thing is you can resell it for 100% profit, and you can enjoy those fun and exciting $500 commissions as well. Okay? So a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. And all you want to do right now to go ahead and learn more, watch my 7-minute video that's going to fully explain everything to you about Get Fearless Freedom. bestincomechoice.com. My link is below in the description. Just head on over to bestincomechoice.com. Any questions, text or call me. You will see my cell phone at the bottom of my bridge page once you come through, and it's also in the description below of my video. So with that being said, thank you so much for allowing me to continue to share with you this amazing marketing system called Get Fearless Freedom that has been around and helping members build successful businesses since 2019. I've been part of GFF, Get Fearless Freedom, for over 6 years, ever since it first launched. I love the entire system. I do own all 4 digital products. Our 200, 500, 1000, and 2000. You're going to be able to learn all about all of these in that 7-minute video. But I wanted to just focus in on this wonderful, powerful, simple tool today called the Craigslist A.I. Autoreply software, located inside the mastery level that you can use to help you to collect leads, build a business of your choice, and also resell it for 100% commissions. Thank you so much. bestincomechoice.com. Head over there right now, and I look forward to hopefully meeting you on the inside. Welcome in advance to Get Fearless Freedom. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.